We interrupt your programming on this Clayranger503 network channel to activate this special important message. This is not a test. The following message is an important message from Clayranger503 to everyone who has been supporting him here on YouTube. The message reads as follows. If you have been a friend and or a subscriber, I appreciate all the support that you guys gave me. Unfortunately, due to the loss of interest in EAS, this will be the last EAS video that I'll be making on this channel. What made me lose interest in EAS is due to other interests, don't ask, hard work from school, and running out of ideas for videos. I will promise to make at least one more video before I stop uploading videos to this account. Additionally, despite losing interest in EAS, my account will stay up. However, there will be no more videos made after I make at least one more video after that. Effective immediately, I will no longer accept any more friend requests sent to me to this channel. Once again, thank you for the support you've given to me all these years. And with that said, this concludes the final EAS video uploaded by Clayranger503.